In this episode of Case by Case, we examine a decision that reshaped Australian property law and constitutional understanding. This is Mabo in Queensland, number 2. Eddie Mabo and other Meriam people brought proceedings seeking recognition of their traditional land rights over the Murray Islands in the Torres Strait. At the time, Australian law operated on the assumption of terra nullius, the idea that land belonged to no one prior to British colonization. This assumption meant Indigenous land rights were not legally recognized. The key legal question was, did Australian common law recognize Indigenous land rights, or had those rights been extinguished by colonization? The High Court rejected the doctrine of terra nullius. It held that Indigenous peoples had existing laws, customs, and relationships to land long before British settlement. The court recognized native title, a form of land title arising from traditional connection to land, recognized by common law where it has not been lawfully extinguished. The High Court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs. It formally recognized native title under Australian law. This case transformed Australian land law. It led directly to the Native Title Act 1993 and reshaped how land ownership is understood in Australia. Mabo remains central to property law, constitutional law, Indigenous land rights. It marked a turning point in Australian legal history. This has been Case by Case.